For this environment properties, a similar data insertion method works just like how we did for the health properties. I currently don't have any test data for this product's environment properties, so I wish to use the data of the primary ingredient. I will click this icon here under bioaccumulative potential, and I will click wiki and click ethanol since it's the primary ingredient. When I click here, I'll be redirected to the ECHA registered substance web page. I will proceed to search the data in this web page. Now it's mentioned that ethanol has a low potential for bioaccumulation. So I will extract this information. I will close the window. I will close this, close here, and I will click this edit green button here. And I first insert this phrase. The full phrase will be appearing here. So no information on this formulation. I will pull it here. And now I will insert the primary ingredients data. I will pull ethanol here and I will search for the information we extracted from ECHA registered substance web page. I will click save and I click save again. You may continue to fill in the other fields as well. Once you have completed, you can review the data you have inserted in section 12 of the SDS.